I've built the fastest sniper bot that you can find out there. No matter you use Bulex, GMGN website, Dex Screener, or even the bots that we recently developed to find new pairs. The only thing that you need is a contract address. And as soon as you copy the contract, boom, we bought the token. That's it. Super fast, super easy. This is also great for some projects that share their contract address on their Twitter account. You only have to copy that and it will automatically buy it for you immediately, which is great. For this tutorial, we need a Bulex account, the new version of this tool, and also we need NovaBot for buying tokens. Nova is the fastest trading bot that you can find. Both of them are invite only, and without an invite link, you would go into a long wait list. But luckily, I have their invite links, and you can gain access to both of them by using the links in the video description. So make sure to check them out. We use another tool as well, which I will mention in the video. We use that for automation because we don't want to copy this and go to bot and paste it. We want everything be automatically. We use Bulex, the new version of that, to find new pairs. And you can see it supports Pump Fund projects, also Radium pools, which is great, and it's super fast. You can see some tokens that created less than 1 second ago in here, which is great. For example, this one. It's super fast. Also, we use Bulex to track our investment because after buying the token by using NovaBot, we want to see how much profit we gained. And we use Bulex to track our investment. So just go to Wallet Manager in here. Make sure you are on Solana chain. Click on New Wallet. And now we have to download our private key in here. Just download it. Now just go to NovaBot. Click on Start, Wallet, and import wallet. Set a name for it, for example, Fried, and paste the private key in here. After importing your wallet, we have to enable auto buy in NovaBot. For example, let's find a contract on Bulex, for example, this one. Just copy it and paste it in the bot. You can see it will ask me some questions about, for example, how much I want to buy. I want to buy immediately, so I don't want this. To fix this issue, just go to, click on close in here, go to setting. In here, we have to click on auto buy, and we have to set a rule. Click on add rule. For example, let's say we want to buy tokens between 5,000 market cap and 100,000. This is the minimum 5K, and this is the maximum 100K. I have to mention we use Bulex filters to find new tokens, so these rules are not that much important. Now in here, the amount of SOL that we want to buy, for example, let's say 0.1 SOL. And now we have a rule in here. Make sure to enable this auto buy. And now as soon as we paste the contract in here, you will see we will buy the token. In the last step, we have to automate this copy and paste. So whenever we copy a contract, it will immediately jump into Telegram. It will automatically paste the contract, and as a result, NovaBot will buy it immediately. For using that, I'm using Keyboard Maestro. This is for Mac, and if you have Windows, you have to install AutoHotkey. Both of them are free to use, but since I'm using Mac, I have to install this tool. Okay, I'm inside Keyboard Maestro. First, we have to create a new group. Just click on this plus button. Let's name it a Sniper Bot. Also, we need a new macro. Click on this. Again, let's name it a Sniper Bot. And now we want, whenever we copy the contract, it will automatically open Telegram, paste the contract and press enter. In this way, NovaBot can bite immediately. So click on new trigger, clipboard change trigger, because when you copy a contract, your clipboard will change. And this should lead to some actions. The first action is actually activate a specific application. We want to activate Telegram. In here, activate Telegram. And now we need a keystroke. We want to type command V to automatically paste the contract. So in here, just type command V to paste the contract. And then after pasting the contract, we have to press enter. So we need another keystroke. Let's click on enter. This will actually open Telegram, command V to paste the contract, and then enter to send a message on Telegram. Now let's try it. Go to BoolX again. If I copy this contract, you will see it immediately bots the token. This is actually great. Also, if you want to make this bot super fast, you can change this from Jitto to Ultra. However, Ultra doesn't have MEV protection, but it's super fast. Also, rather than trusting on NovaBot rules, I prefer to use BoolX filters because it has so many great features. For example, you can set the number of holders, a sniper wallet, and so many other great features, which I will explain in the future videos. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and definitely join my Telegram group. You can find the link in the video description. Cheers viewers, hope to see you in my next videos.